Welcome to Little Minds.
While we do our daily activities, some of the other objects are moved. What causes objects to move? The application of force causes objects to move. In physics, force is the push or pull acting upon an object that results in the interaction of the object with another object. Let's understand this in simple words. What do we mean by applying force? As you can see in the given example, the hand is applying force in the box. That is, it is pushing the box that is causing the box to move. So we can conclude that the force is the act of push or pull that results in the interaction of object with another object. Other activities that include the application of force are riding a bicycle, kicking a ball, opening or closing a door, etc. Now let's look at the types of force. Types of force. I have talked about the interaction of two bodies. But how do these bodies interact? The interaction of bodies can be basically of two types. One in which the bodies are in contact with each other, and the other in which the bodies aren't in contact with each other. The forces that result when two bodies are in contact with each other are called contact forces, and when not in contact with each other are called non-contact forces. Let's learn both the types of forces in detail to understand it better. Contact force. Let's understand contact force with the help of an example. Suppose someone knocks at the door. So you walk to the door and apply force on the knob with your hand to turn it, which opens this door. Here your hand and the door are in contact with each other. Thus we can say that contact force is a force that is applied by objects in contact with each other. Non-contact forces. Let's study non-contact forces with examples. Suppose an aeroplane is flying in the sky at a certain height. Do you think there is any interaction between the aeroplane and the ground? Yes, there is, because there is a gravitational force between the ground and the airplane. The aeroplane and the ground are not in contact, but still there is a force that exists between them, which is known as non-contact force. Thus, we can say that non-contact force is a force which acts on an object without coming physically in contact with it. Today, we have learned that force is the push or pull acting upon an object that results in the interaction of the object with another object. There are two main types of force. Contact force, a force that is applied by objects in contact with each other, and non-contact force, a force which acts on an object without coming physically in contact with it. Now we know what is force. Let's test our knowledge by giving a little quiz. The first question is, force is the dash acting upon an object. Weight, push or pull, gravity, pressure. Push or pull. It's the correct answer. Second, identify the type of force shown in the picture. Contact force, non-contact force. None of these, both of these. Contact force is the correct answer. Third, which type of force acts on an object without coming physically in contact with it? Frictional force, contact force, non-contact force, all of these. The correct answer is non-contact force. Well done. Don't forget to comment your answers in the chat section below. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and press the notification bell to be the first one to watch my new video. We'll be back with new educational videos soon.